Is your manufacturing process flow holding back your efficiency? In the manufacturing industry, an efficient process flow is the backbone of productivity. It outlines the sequential stages that transform raw materials into finished products. But what makes a process flow truly effective? First, defining clear steps is essential. Each stage of production should be outlined with precision, ensuring everyone knows what needs to happen and when. Mapping out the flow visually is key. It helps identify potential bottlenecks and inefficiencies in the system. This step allows manufacturers to foresee challenges and streamline operations. Implementing best practices is the next critical aspect. By adopting industry standards, manufacturers can enhance productivity and reduce waste, keeping processes smooth and cost-effective. But no process is ever perfect. Continuous improvement must be a priority. Regular reviews, feedback loops, and data analysis help refine and adjust the process flow, ensuring efficiency and consistent product quality. When an optimized process flow is in place, businesses experience enhanced efficiency, reduced lead times, and reliable product quality. This not only boosts productivity but also contributes to overall customer satisfaction. Remember, the right process flow isn't just a plan, it's a strategy for success.